Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony LinkBuds. These are YY2953s, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you will need to pair them again as everything will be wiped off of these, but that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to just set these up on a new device, just like as if you just got them new, we can go ahead and wipe everything off them and you can just set them up as a new set of earbuds. So this is real easy to do if you'd like to proceed. You have to do this one at a time. So what you do is you put one earbud in the case at a time. And while it is locked in place, you can go ahead and close the lid and then pop the lid back open, and that makes sure that the earbud is seated in there. And with one earbud seated in there, you're then going to come down and find this button here on the back, and you're going to press and hold it for about 20 seconds as you watch the light on the earbud. And after about 15 seconds, it will start to blink orange. Just keep holding it for another 20 seconds for another 5 seconds until the light goes through a couple blinks and then turns off. Once that happens, that earbud is reset. You can take it out, put the other earbud in, repeat the same process of closing the lid, popping the lid open, and then pressing and holding this button here for 15 seconds, watching the light to start flashing orange. And then once they're both done, then you can repair the buds as a new device.